Saving $10,000 quickly can be a challenging but achievable goal with the help of a simple strategy known as the $27.40 rule. This rule involves setting aside a specific amount of money each day to reach your savings goal. Here at the Wallet Kit, we are going to reveal how the $27.40 rule works and how this discipline can help you save $10,000 quickly. 1. Set clear goals. The first step to saving $10,000 using the $27.40 rule is to establish a clear goal. Knowing what you're saving for can provide motivation and help you stay on track. Whether it's for an emergency fund, a vacation, a down payment on a house, or paying off debt and eliminating financial stress, having a specific goal in mind is essential. 2. Daily savings. The core concept of the $27.40 rule is to save a fixed amount of money every day. In this case, you'll save $27.40 daily. This amount was chosen because it adds up to $10,001 over the course of a year, allowing you to surpass your $10,000 savings goal in approximately 365 days. 3. Consistency. The key to making this rule work is consistency. You commit to setting aside $27.40 from your daily expenses or income without fail. Example 1. Saving $27.40 per day. Let's say you decide to save $27.40 each day to reach your $10,000 savings goal. Here's how it breaks down. In 1 week, 7 days, you'll save $27.40 multiplied by 7 equals $191.80. In 1 month, 30 days, you'll save $27.40 multiplied by 30 equals $822. In 3 months, 90 days, you'll save $27.40 multiplied by 90 equals $2,466. In 1 year, 365 days, you'll save $27.40 multiplied by 365 equals $10,001. By consistently saving $27.40 per day for a year, you'll exceed your $10,000 goal. Example 2. Adjusting for a different goal or timeline. If your goal is to save $10,000 faster or slower than a year, you can adjust the daily savings amount accordingly. For instance, to save $10,000 in 6 months, you would need to save $54.80 per day. To save $10,000 in 9 months, you would need to save $36.53 per day. This rule is adaptable to your specific financial situation and timeline. Here are the following tips for success using the $27.40 rule. 4. Create a dedicated savings account. Open a separate savings account specifically for this purpose. This can help you track your progress and prevent you from dipping into your savings. 5. Create a budget. To save money, you need to understand where your money is going. If you begin creating a detailed budget, you will be able to track your income and expenses. Identify areas to cut back or reduce spending. For example, get into the habit of cooking at home instead of dining out or canceling subscriptions you no longer use. 6. Cut unnecessary expenses. To ensure you have $27.40 available to save each day, identify and cut unnecessary expenses from your daily life. Take a closer look at your monthly expenses and identify areas where you can cut costs. For instance, consider switching to a cheaper cell phone plan, such as a low-cost prepaid plan, canceling cable TV in favor of streaming services, or shopping for groceries strategically with coupons and discounts. 7. Automate savings. Consider setting up an automatic transfer of $27.40 from your checking account to your savings account each day. This ensures that you don't forget to save and makes it a routine part of your financial habits. Treat your savings like a non-negotiable monthly expense, just like rent or utilities. By automating your savings, you ensure that a portion of your income goes directly towards your goal. 8. Stay committed. Consistency is the key to success with this rule. Even on days when it's challenging, stick to your commitment to save $27.40. Reaching to save $10,000 quickly requires discipline and commitment. There may be moments of temptation or setbacks, but staying committed to your goal and adjusting your budget as needed will keep you on track. 9. Increase your income. Earning extra money can significantly accelerate your savings. You can explore side gigs, freelancing, or part-time jobs to supplement your income. Every additional dollar you earn can contribute to reaching your $10,000 goal faster. 10. Eliminate high-interest debt. If you have high-interest debt like credit card balances, prioritize paying it off. High-interest debt can eat into your savings potential. Use any extra income or windfalls to pay down debt faster, which will free up more money for saving. 11. Track your progress. Regularly monitor your savings progress. This can help you stay motivated and make adjustments if necessary. Consider using financial apps or spreadsheets to visualize your progress over time. 12. Stop impulse purchases. Before making a purchase, especially a significant one, take some time to think it over. Ask yourself if the item is a genuine necessity or if it can wait. Avoiding impulse purchases can save you a significant amount over time. 13. Use windfalls wisely. If you receive unexpected windfalls, such as tax refunds, bonuses, or cash gifts, consider directing a portion or all of it toward your savings goal. Windfalls can provide a significant boost to your savings progress. The $27.40 rule is a straightforward and effective method to reach a $10,000 savings goal relatively quickly. Adjust it as needed to match your financial goals and timeline, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial objectives. Remember that everyone's financial situation is unique, and the pace at which you can save $10,000 will vary. The key is to stay consistent, adapt your strategy as needed, and celebrate your achievements along the way. With dedication and these money-saving tips you've learned here at the Wallet Kit, you'll be well on your way to reaching your $10,000 savings goal in no time.